Somali schoolchildren put aside their textbooks to discuss global issues as part of the world's largest lesson, an initiative to teach young people about the new United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The Somali children are among thousands of pupils from 100 countries who participated in specially prepared lessons about the Sustainable Development Goals to end poverty, fight equality and injustice and address climate change. Many of the children at the Fatima Bihi Primary School in Hargeisa, Somaliland, were particularly concerned about the warnings on the environment.
What I understood from this lesson is that the environment is threatened. The threat comes from actions of people who are doing things that are ruining it. There are many factories that are producing a lot of smoke and chemicals into the air. If this is not prevented, our entire lives are in danger.
UNICEF arranged for the globally produced materials, an animated video and a lesson plan to be translated into Somali. After taking part in the lesson, the children discussed what they could do to help achieve the goals.
I have learned a lot of things. From now on, I'm planning to start working in school compound and keeping it clean. When I bring food to school, I'll dispose the plastic bags and all waste in the right place after eating.
The Somaliland Ministry of Education, with support from UNICEF, arranged for 6 schools to take part in the world's largest lesson. It's hoped that after taking part in the lesson, children and young people worldwide will play their part in the global effort to build a more sustainable future for everyone.
Children need to be taught this lesson because it is important for them to understand what is happening in the environment. They need to learn, for example, cutting down trees damages the environment. They also need to know the importance of peace and how they can promote it in the community at an early age.
Over half of Somalia's population is under the age of 18, and many of the goals on education, poverty, equality, health, nutrition and the environment directly affect them. While the youth are working towards the goals in their communities, it's also hoped that Somali leaders will hear their concerns and ensure sustainable development is at the heart of all future decision-making. This is Susanna Price reporting for UNICEF. For more information, go to www.unicef.org. Unite for Children.